Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Ihsan. And today I'm going to talk about the video I chose from Fox. The title is How the US Created an Ambulance Crisis. In these presentations, I will explain the summary, the main idea, the tone and attitude of the speaker, the implied meaning, and the difference between facts and opinions in the video. And now I will explain about the summary. The video explains why ambulance services in the United States are facing a serious crisis, especially in rural areas. Many people live far from ambulance stations, and the system does not get enough funding. Rural areas depend on volunteers, but the numbers of volunteers is decreasing. As a result, ambulance response times become slower and can put people's lives in danger. And now I will explain about the main idea. The main idea of the video is that the ambulance crisis in the US is caused by poor system design and a lack of government support, not just because of long distances in the rural areas. And the tone and attitude of the video. The tone of the speaker is serious and informative. He uses clear explanations, data, and interviews to show that this is an important problem. The speaker's attitude is critical and concerned. He points out that EMS is not treated as an essential service and believes that the system needs major improvement. And now I will explain about the implied meaning. You can see in this. The first is the video implies that many rural Americans are at bigger risks in emergencies, even though it is not said directly. Second, it implies that the government is not providing enough support for ambulance services. And the third, it suggests that the crisis man-made because the system was designed poorly. And now the fact and opinion. You can see in this the fact and this the opinion. The first facts. Around 4 and 5 million Americans live in ambulance desert. And seconds, EMS is not considered an essential service in most states. And the last, rural ambulance service rely heavily on volunteers. And now the opinions. Number 1, saying the system is borrowing money is an opinion. And number 2, saying some areas are places you don't want to have an accident is an opinion too. And number 3 and last, saying EMS should be an essential service is also an opinion. And now the conclusion. In conclusion, the video shows that ambulance service in the US need better support and funding. The crisis affects millions of people. Especially in rural areas, I think this topic is important because emergency help should be fast and accessible from everyone. Thank you. That's all my presentations. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.